What if the moment you became invisible, you also stopped existing? Sounds impossible, but according to one of the biggest mysteries in the universe, it might be closer to reality than you think. Right now, every part of your body is built from ordinary matter. Atoms, molecules, cells, everything that makes you you. But scientists believe there's something else hiding in the cosmos. Something invisible. Something that outweighs all visible matter by almost 6 to 1. It's called dark matter. And here's the strange part. Nobody has ever actually seen it. No camera has captured it. No laboratory has isolated it. Yet scientists are convinced it's everywhere. Why? Because the universe refuses to behave without it. Take our galaxy. According to the laws of physics, stars near the outer edge should move much slower than stars near the center. But when astronomers looked closer, they found something shocking. The stars were moving almost the same speed. That shouldn't be possible, unless something massive and invisible is holding everything together. And that's when dark matter entered the story. Scientists believe this hidden substance creates gravitational effects powerful enough to shape entire galaxies. But here's the question that changes everything. What if every atom in your body suddenly transformed into dark matter? Would you become a cosmic superhero? Would you gain unimaginable powers? Or would something far stranger happen? Because the answer isn't what most people expect. In fact, the moment the transformation begins, your existence as you know it ends. But that's not even the craziest part. Imagine every atom inside your body changing at once. Not millions, not billions. Roughly 7 billion atoms. Gone. Replaced by dark matter particles. What happens next changes everything. Most people assume you'd still look the same. Maybe become invisible. Maybe gain the ability to walk through walls. And technically, you'd be able to. But there's a problem. Your body wouldn't survive long enough to enjoy it. Because ordinary matter is what holds you together. Your atoms form molecules. Your molecules form cells. Your cells form organs. Remove ordinary matter, and that entire structure collapses instantly. Your body wouldn't simply disappear. It would disintegrate. Every particle that once belonged to you would scatter into a cloud of dark matter. And this is where it gets weird. You wouldn't float away into space. Earth's gravity would still affect those particles. Instead, the dark matter version of you would become trapped inside our planet's gravitational field. The particles that once formed your body would begin racing around Earth's core at nearly 3 kilometers every second. Over and over and over again, completing a full orbit every 88 minutes. Think about that. The remains of you would endlessly pass through oceans, mountains, cities, and continents without ever touching them. No collisions, no resistance, no slowing down. But here's the twist nobody sees coming. Every orbit would bring your particles back near the exact place where the transformation happened, as if the universe was trying to remind itself where you once existed. And over time, that orbit would slowly drift. At first, only centimeters, then meters, then hundreds of meters, until eventually, the distance becomes impossible to recognize. And that's when the real mystery begins. 1 year after your transformation, the dark matter particles that once formed your body would return roughly half a meter away from their starting point. 10 years later, nearly half a kilometer away. The drift would continue forever. No friction, no energy loss, no way back. You would never reform, never become ordinary matter again. You would simply circle Earth's core for eternity, an invisible ghost of particles trapped by gravity alone. But here's the truly mind-bending part. None of this can happen in real life. At least not with any technology we know. Yet dark matter may already be passing through you right now, every second, without you noticing. Scientists estimate that tiny amounts of dark matter move through your body constantly. In fact, over the course of your lifetime, approximately 1 milligram of dark matter may pass directly through you. Think about that. The greatest mystery in modern physics could be flowing through your body at this very moment. And we still don't know exactly what it is. We don't know what it's made of. We don't know where it came from. We don't even know whether our current understanding is completely correct. But somehow, this invisible substance may help shape galaxies, bend gravity, and influence the structure of the universe itself. And this is where everything flips. What if dark matter isn't just something out there? What if it's part of the reason the universe exists in its current form? What if entire cosmic truths remain hidden because we're looking at only a fraction of reality? The deeper scientists investigate, the stranger the mystery becomes. Because the biggest secret about dark matter isn't what we know. It's how much we still don't know. And if something invisible can control galaxies, what else could be hiding in plain sight?